My creatives, it's your girl Tina, top of the morning. I'm back, you all, with another video, and it's that time again. Through your eyes, swap. What did Scrap the World send your girl to work with on this go round? Let's get it. Can somebody tell him thank you? All right, y'all. I opened up the bag, and here we go. We're going to pull out and see. This is our last round, right? It was a 3-month swap. This is our last round, and in this round, we were supposed to send what we wanted the other person to alter. We did not send a kit. You use whatever supplies you want to use to alter the item that's sent. And then we were to send each other a small gift, okay? So here we go. I got a card, enjoy the moments that make you smile. So I'll read that off camera. And then here is the altar piece. Farm to table. Okay, farm to table. This is wood from the Dollar Tree. Cute, cute. So it's like a shadow box. 3D dimension box. All right. So love it. I love the sturdiness. All right. So that's my altar item. And here is my gift notebook. Cute, cute, cute. And it came with a pen. Chocolates. Cute. All right. So this is my gift. I guess she sent me 2 gifts. All right. Here we go. This is some LA Colors loose eyeshadow. Intense shimmer. Sorry. All right, so I got some eyeshadow with a brush. Sunshine. Can y'all see that? Got a little glare. And then we have some Nouveau crystal drops in black. Let's see what they call their black. Ebony black. All right, so these are my gifts. Come back on next Sunday to reveal and to see. Well, I'll come back next Sunday to reveal to you all what I did with this farm to table little shadow box. I'm looking for you all to come back and meet me for the reveal and take a look at where my creative mind takes me with this little jewel right here. Go over to Scrap the World, who is Tamika channel, and check out what I sent her to alter. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Did you think I picked a good item for her to alter? Let me know, you all. All right, till next time, wash them hands every 15 minutes. Hot water, you all, kills germs. Hot water and soap. Keep creating and stay blessed, my family. Love you all. Till the next video.